I am super laggy, guys, and welcome to a new video. Uh, yeah. Okay, I was just seeing if my friends have any problems. Okay. So today we are going to see the update in Build a Boat. Come back boat, the one we always had. Come back boat, without you boat's so sad. If you want me to make a really good song, that's really good, smash this thumbs up, because I need it. Actually, let me just do a trick. Is anyone in red team? Yeah, no, okay. I'm just gonna, nothing much, just putting a jetty down. Guys, if you want to go to the candy trick or treat at the candy houses, over here, then you can do it. It's really easy. Why is there no candy houses there? Someone already done them. I've got a trick to show you. If you always get grabbed by a hand and you don't want to reset and go to like the other plot all the time to just get a different house so you can get more candy, you could just go like this. Because you don't know if it's a hand, so you can fly away. Like that. See, did you see him pull out his hand? And then it works like that. So we get the idea. I bet it's going to kick me. But I'm just a little passenger. I'm the last guest. Come on. The last guest always deserves some love of people. Whoa! Okay. Why is there a jet here? Someone left their jet behind. Someone had the same idea as me, I guess. Oh, yes. Oh, yellow candy. Okay. It's better than purple because purple is really common. You can get it really easy. My favourite is the blue candy, although I've never seen what it does. Ah, okay, yellow candy. Let's see what candy we've got. So we've got 6 yellow, 13 purple, and 1 blue. Okay, not bad. Every house is just, all the blue houses appeared. Okay, I've got 3 candies in a row, I think. Or is it 2 candies in a row? Buffoon in the tune. This is Buffoon. Oh, okay. Knock, knock. Oh, thank you, good sir. Ah. Okay, let's see what I've got now. Oh, 7. Okay. Not bad. Oh, wait, actually. Super delicious. Okay. Oh, thank you. Well, I guess we're going to. Why? Oh, by the way, guys, why is this water like green and slobbery? Oh, I don't like this. I'm getting goosebumps. Chills, the creator of this game, has put loads of effort into this. Because this is like one of the biggest Halloween's updates probably in history. Wow. Guys, I watched this person called Jesse TC, and I played this game before he even done an update about it, and I wanted to go into this waterfall because for some reason, since it was green, I felt something like I had this like sense that something was inside it, and then I went off because my internet, wow, it just cut me off for some reason, and then straight away Jesse's on a video and he went straight into the waterfall and I was correct. Oh come on! Oh yeah, I thought it cancelled it, so then I'd have to wait there again for 30 seconds. Ooh, why is this build about still? Oh, Secret Place by Chill Studio. Who the hell are you? Oh, look at this. Isn't he a cutie? I get off it! If I call him a cutie, it doesn't mean I like it. Oh, I work him. You deserve to get hit in the face by a tree, mister. Bam! Oh. He's right there. Why is the water rising? Why is there a big, dark green spot over there? Wow. Oh. I don't feel good about this. Oh, shit! Oh my gosh. That's the hell out. Oh no. No, I don't appreciate this, mister. He looks mad. Oh, look at his beard. Such a big beard. What is this? I think I'm supposed to stand on the blue spot. Oh no, it's a Memoirs game. Oh.